10 proven legit ways to make money online as a student. Welcome to our channel. Are you a student tired of living on a tight budget? Are you looking for ways to earn some extra cash without sacrificing your studies? You're in the right place. In today's digital age, making money online has never been easier. And as a student, you have a unique advantage: flexibility, creativity, and a willingness to learn. In this video, we'll share 10 proven and legitimate ways to make money online, specifically designed for students like you. From freelancing to affiliate marketing and social media management, we'll cover it all. Our tips and tricks are tried and tested, and we'll show you how to turn your skills and interests into a profitable online venture. So let's dive in and explore the world of online money-making opportunities for students. Number 1. Affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a form of online marketing that involves promoting products or services from another company and earning a commission on any resulting sales. It's a way for individuals or businesses to earn money by promoting products they believe in and sharing them with their audience. How does affiliate marketing work? An advertiser merchant creates a product or service they want to sell. An affiliate marketer joins the advertiser's affiliate program by registering on their website or through a third-party affiliate network. You receive a unique affiliate link or code to track your referrals. You share the advertiser's product with your audience through social media, blog posts, videos, or other marketing channels. When someone clicks your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission on the sale. Benefits of affiliate marketing. Low startup costs. Starting an affiliate marketing business requires little to no upfront costs. Passive income potential. Once you've set up your affiliate links, you can earn money passively as people click on them and make purchases. Flexibility. Affiliate marketing can be done from anywhere with an internet connection, making it a great option for students or those with limited time. Minimal risk. You don't have to worry about inventory, shipping, or customer support, as the advertiser handles these tasks. Popular affiliate programs: Amazon Associates, ShareSale, ClickBank, Commission Junction, Rakuten. Tips for success in affiliate marketing. Choose products you believe in and that align with your audience's interests. Disclose your affiliation with the advertiser clearly and transparently. Build trust with your audience by providing valuable content and recommendations. Track your results and adjust your marketing strategy accordingly. Number 2. Freelancing. What is freelancing? Freelancing, also known as independent contracting or consulting, is a type of work arrangement where you offer your skills, services, and expertise to clients on a project-by-project basis. As a freelancer, you are not permanently employed by a single company, but instead, work with various clients to complete specific tasks or projects. Benefits of freelancing. Flexibility. Choose your own projects, clients, and work schedule. Autonomy. Be your own boss and work independently. Variety. Work with diverse clients and projects, expanding your portfolio and skills. Unlimited earning potential. Set your own rates and negotiate contracts. Remote work. Work from anywhere at any time, as long as you have a stable internet connection. Opportunity to build a personal brand. Establish yourself as an expert in your field. Popular freelance services: writing and content creation, articles, blog posts, copywriting, etc. Graphic design, logos, branding, visual content, etc. Web development, website building, coding, etc. Social media management, content creation, strategy, etc. Digital marketing, SEO, PPC, advertising, etc. Photography and videography, translation and interpretation, consulting, business, marketing, financial, etc. Freelance platforms: Upwork, Upwork.com, Fiverr, Fiverr.com, Freelancer, Freelancer.com, LinkedIn, LinkedIn.com, TopTal, TopTal.com, People Per Hour, PeoplePerHour.com, GuruGuru.com, TaskRabbit, TaskRabbit.com. Tips for success in freelancing. Develop a strong portfolio showcasing your skills and experience. Set competitive rates based on your expertise and industry standards. Create a professional online presence, website, social media, etc. Network and market yourself to potential clients and collaborators. Deliver high-quality work and maintain excellent client relationships. Continuously improve your skills through training and education. Manage your time and projects efficiently to meet deadlines and expectations. Number 3. Online tutoring. What is online tutoring? Online tutoring is a form of tutoring that takes place over the internet, where a tutor provides academic support and guidance to a student remotely. This can include video conferencing, screen sharing, and instant messaging. Benefits of online tutoring. Flexibility. Students can access tutoring services from anywhere with an internet connection. Convenience. Schedule sessions at a time that suits you, without worrying about commuting. Personalization. One-on-one attention and tailored learning plans. Accessibility. Reach tutors with specialized expertise not available locally. Cost-effective. Often more affordable than traditional in-person tutoring. Types of online tutoring. One-on-one tutoring. Individualized sessions with a single tutor. Group tutoring. Small groups of students learning together. Live online tutoring. Real-time sessions with immediate feedback. Pre-recorded tutoring. Access to pre-recorded video lessons. Subjects and levels. Online tutoring covers various subjects and levels, including math from basic algebra to advanced calculus, science, biology, chemistry, physics, and more. English, language arts, literature and writing. Programming, coding languages like Python, Java, and C++. Test prep, SAT, ACT, GRE, GMAT, and other standardized tests. Languages, English, French, and many more. Platforms and tools. Popular platforms for online tutoring include Chegg, TutorMe, Varsity Tutors, Wezant, Kaplan, Coursera. Tutors use various tools such as video conferencing software Zoom, Skype, Google Meet, interactive whiteboards, Smartboard, Promethean, screen sharing software Joinami, ScreenFlow, learning management systems, Canvas, Blackboard. How to get started. Choose a platform. Select a reputable online tutoring platform. Create a profile. Showcase your academic strengths and experience. Set your schedule. Decide on available tutoring hours. Prepare for sessions. Familiarize yourself with tools and software. Tips for success. Communicate effectively. Clearly explain concepts and ideas. Be patient and encouraging. Foster a supportive learning environment. Use technology effectively. Leverage tools to enhance the learning experience. Set goals and track progress. Monitor student improvement. Number 4. Social media management. Social media management involves managing and growing the social media presence of businesses or individuals. If you have experience managing social media platforms, creating engaging content, and analyzing social media metrics, then social media management could be an excellent online job for you. As a social media manager, you may be responsible for creating and curating content, scheduling and publishing posts, responding to comments and messages, managing social media campaigns and advertisements, monitoring and analyzing social media metrics, and staying up to date with social media trends and best practices. To become a successful social media manager, you need to have strong communication skills, creativity, attention to detail, and a deep understanding of different social media platforms and their algorithms like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, or Twitter, and creating ad campaigns on platforms like Facebook Ad Manager. You may also need to have some knowledge of graphic design, copywriting, and basic marketing principles. If you're interested in pursuing a career in social media management, you can start by building your own social media presence, gaining relevant experience through internships or freelance work, and taking online courses or certifications to improve your skills and knowledge. Number 5. Content creation. In today's digital age, content writing has become essential for businesses to establish their online presence and communicate their brand message to their target audience. From creating blog posts to developing email newsletters, content writers play a crucial role in creating content that helps their clients connect with their audience, build trust, and increase conversions. Content creation involves generating engaging content for various mediums, such as blogs, articles, podcasts, websites, social media, and other digital platforms. This type of writing can include informational and educational pieces, promotional and marketing materials, opinion pieces, and creative writing. As a content writer, you are required to focus on engaging your audience, providing value, increasing website traffic, and generating leads or sales for their clients or organizations. You will be required to use various writing techniques, such as storytelling, persuasive writing, and keyword optimization, to make your content engaging, informative, and search engine optimized. To succeed as a content writer, you need to have excellent writing skills, research skills, creativity, and the ability to adapt to different writing styles and formats. Number 6. Blogging. Blogging is an excellent avenue for those who enjoy writing and want to share their thoughts and expertise with the world. Do you also know that you can start to earn money online if you know how to write about just anything? Create a website and talk about what you are good at and share it with the world. You can monetize through affiliate links and AdSense, sponsored posts, influencer collaborations, writing about other brands' products and get paid. Writing entertaining and interesting blog posts can generate cash for you through ads, affiliate links, and other revenue options. Your success in blogging depends on your writing talent, whether your blog covers a popular subject, and the popularity of the links you include, whether backlinks or pay-per-click links, like Google AdWords. Blogging also entails publishing regular written content usually centered around specific topics, niche interests, hobbies, lifestyle, among others. Number 7. Virtual assistant. As a student or individual, making money online as a virtual assistant can be a lucrative and rewarding way to leverage your skills and expertise in a remote work environment. As businesses increasingly turn to virtual assistants for support with administrative tasks, project management, customer service, and more, the demand for skilled professionals in this field continues to grow. Understanding the role of a virtual assistant. Before exploring the specific ways to make money as a virtual assistant, it is important to have a clear understanding of what the role entails. A virtual assistant (VA) provides administrative and operational support to businesses or individuals remotely. This can include managing emails, scheduling appointments, conducting research, handling customer inquiries, social media management, content creation, data entry, bookkeeping services, and other tasks that help streamline operations. The key advantage of working as a virtual assistant is the flexibility it offers. Developing your skill set. To position yourself competitively in this field and maximize your earning potential, as a VA requires improving specific skill sets that are in demand by clients. These may include proficiency in communication tools such as email management platforms like Gmail or Outlook, project management software like Asana or Trello, customer relationship management (CRM), systems like Salesforce or HubSpot, media scheduling tools such as Hootsuite or Buffer, graphic design software like Canva or Adobe Photoshop, and many others depending on client needs. In addition to technical skills related specifically to VA work, such as proficiency in Microsoft Office Suite, Word, Excel/PowerPoint, strong organizational abilities are crucial. Being able to manage time effectively, while multitasking across different projects will set you apart from other VAs. Furthermore, having excellent communication skills is vital for things such as communicating with clients via email professionally, yet warmly without grammatical errors, making you look unprofessional. If writing isn't necessarily your strong garb, consider taking some writing courses online which can provide valuable knowledge on creating engaging content. Number 8. Become a YouTuber. Creating and running a successful YouTube channel can be a lucrative online money-making opportunity for students. You can create videos on topics you care about or have expertise in and monetize your channel through Google AdSense, sponsorships, brand deals, merchandise sales, and crowdfunding platforms like Patreon. The following are steps to make money via YouTube. Step 1. Start a YouTube channel. Step 2. Make your channel successful enough that it meets the YouTube Partner Program requirements. Step 3. Set up an AdSense account. Step 4. Explore your new monetization features. Step 5. Submit to ongoing reviews. Number 9. Graphics design. Graphics design involves creating visual content for various mediums, such as logos, brochures, websites, and social media. The goal of graphic design is to communicate a message or idea effectively using typography, color, images, and layout. Graphic designers may use software such as Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign to create their designs. Good graphic design can help a company or brand stand out and convey a clear message to its target audience. A skilled graphic designer can create designs that are not only visually appealing, but also functional and easy to understand. If you have a creative flair, are skilled in graphic design software, and can create visually appealing. In summary, you will need the following to function as a graphic designer and earn money. A good phone, preferably Android or iOS, / a laptop. Adequate power supply. A good source of internet. Graphic design apps. There are various graphic design apps to choose from. The most popular ones are Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Express, GIMP, and Canva. With your phone, you can begin to make money by creating simple designs using Canva. How to make money through graphic design. 1. Designing social media graphics and highlight covers. 2. Creating and selling templates. 3. Sharing knowledge through workshops or webinars. 4. Be a design consultant. 5. Making pre-made logo packages. 6. Selling customized branding packages. 7. Creating and selling printables. 8. Working with clients as a freelancer. Some of the best places to get graphic design clients. 1. Upwork. 2. Fiverr. 3. Design Hill. 4. 99 Designs. Number 10. Data entry. What is data entry? Data entry involves manually entering information into a computer system, database, or spreadsheet. This process requires accuracy, efficiency, and attention to detail to ensure data quality and integrity. Types of data entry. Manual data entry. Entering data from physical documents or records. Automated data entry. Using software or tools to transfer data from one system to another. Online data entry. Entering data through web-based platforms or applications. Data entry tasks. Keying. Entering data from physical documents or records. Reviewing. Verifying data for accuracy and completeness. Editing. Correcting errors or updating existing data. Formatting. Organizing data to conform to specific standards. Data entry skills. Typing speed and accuracy. Attention to detail. Organizational skills. Basic computer knowledge. Analytical skills. Data entry industries. Healthcare. Medical records, patient data. Finance. Financial transactions accounts. E-commerce. Product information orders. Government. Public records census data. Data entry tools. Spreadsheets. Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets. Database software, MySQL Access. Data entry software. Typeform, SurveyMonkey. Tips for data entry. Practice typing skills. Use data entry software. Verify data accuracy. Meet deadlines. Maintain data confidentiality. In conclusion, making money online as a student is no longer a myth. With the right skills, strategies, and mindset, you can turn your online presence into a profitable venture. We've explored 10 proven legit ways to make money online, from freelancing and affiliate marketing to online tutoring services. These opportunities can help you earn a steady income and secure your financial future. So what's holding you back? Take the first step towards financial freedom. Choose one method that resonates with your skills and interests. Start taking action today, whether it's signing up for a platform or creating your own blog. Remember, making money online requires dedication, patience, and persistence. Stay focused, stay consistent, and stay committed to your goals. You got this. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has inspired and empowered you to take control of your financial future. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative videos on making money online and achieving financial freedom.